Seventh one, write a Python program to remove characters that have odd index values in a given string. Odd index values in a given string. Odd index values means 135. You have to remove the odd index values 135 and you have to print the even index 0 to 4. Okay. So it's a simple logic. To get the even values, you have to divide with by divisible by 2 equal to 0 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. You have to divide the string index by divisible by 2 equal to 0. Simple one. First we have to enter in string. To find out the length of the string, n is equal to length of x. Okay. Use for loop here. Simple. For I in range of n and here. Simple. Okay. If x of I percentage by 2 equal to 0. Means we get the even numbers. No? Even numbers and we don't get the odd numbers here. Simple like that. No? Colon print x of I. Simple. Print x of I, comma. And is equal to space here. Simple. Okay. We better print x of I. If x of I percentage equal to 0, that print that number. Okay. Even numbers. Okay. 0, x of 0, x of 2, x of 4. So it will print the even index value 0, 2, 4, 6 index value. Okay. Observe the output here. Interesting. Just enter any string. I am in Python only. Python. So I have to get the output 0 to PT. Okay, 0 PTO. X first, x of a percentage 0 format and is equal to length of x. X of a percentage of 2 equal to 0. Sorry, not x of I. Sorry, I just I. That's it again. I percentage by 2 equal to 0, not exactly. Because x of I means you get the value. I means the number here. Okay, simple. So and now enter a string here. P Y T H O N. See, odd numbers PTO here, okay? PTO. So even numbers, even PTO, PTO. Odd values are removed here, odd index values, even index values 0, 2, 4, okay? PTO here, okay? Enter any other string here, any string enter. OCC occurrence. See, all the even index values are printed, odd values are removed here, okay? Simple one.